our 52-inch dual level open air display case. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have 52 inches. The depth, we have 33¼ inches. Overall height, we have 59½ inches tall. The measurement for the top portion, overall length, we have 49½ inches. A depth of 28 inches with a height of 16 inches. Bottom layer can be used as storage, and the measurement will be 49 inches in length by 25¾ in depth. Overall height of 11½ inches tall. LED lights located in the showcase underneath on the bottom portion. LED strip on the lower shelf and a strip on the top. Shelves can be adjusted to the desired height and held in by the left and right brackets. So removal of the brackets, you can adjust the height of the shelves to your desired preference. Back of the showcase are dual slide doors to the left and to the right. Measurements for the interior, a length of 48 inches, and the measurement of the shelf to the top of the ceiling, we have at least 6½ inches. We have our 110/120 voltage plug and 2 switches for each for power and for temperature control. Located to the side is your ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this showcase. Thank you.